What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and review. This is from Provident Metals. It's their 2021 Year of the Bull silver bar and silver round. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so let's do this unboxing here. So special thanks to Provident Metals for sending me some silver to review. It's their exclusive 2021 Year of the Bull 10-ounce silver bar and 1-ounce silver round. Now, if you remember, last year they had the Year of the Rat, right? That was 2020. And, you know, it really was Year of the Mouse, but they like to do a little spin for their lunar stuff. And so this year, it's Year of the Ox, you know, 2021. But they're doing Year of the Bull, which is pretty cool. And a bull is just a male ox, right? So let's go ahead and open it up here. So we got two items. We'll be showing them both off. There is the round here. Very nice. Let's get that open. And then the 10-ounce silver bar as well. Super cool. And, you know, thanks again to Provident for sending these to me. But, you know, while we talk about these, first off, I just got to mention they are considered generics. You know, these are not coins. And when you're stacking silver, you know, if you're buying it for investment or for savings or whatever, really, you want to buy the cheapest silver you can, right? And for all USA stackers, I recommend the three pillars, which are American Silver Eagles, Junk Silver, and Generic Silver. For generic silver, you can get, you know, silver rounds or silver bars. These would be considered generics. And 1-ounce silver rounds are my absolute favorite size. My next favorite is the 10-ounce silver bars. So they're pretty much doing everything right with these. And the pricing isn't too outrageous. Right now they have these listed for, I want to say, $239 over spot, which is, you know, not out of the ballpark for a lot of these people that just want to buy cheap silver. I know you might be able to get some other rounds a hair cheaper, but this is a very cool design. I mean, look how muscular that bull is. It says Year of the Bull at the top, and on the right there, that's the Chinese symbol for ox. If we flip it over on the other side, oh, I guess it flips over top to bottom. That's nice. You can see Year of the Bull, 3/9 fine silver, 1 ounce, and again, we have the symbol for the ox in the middle there. So really cool. I do like that design. I think it's very powerful. The bull's like, you know, about to charge. That bull is about to charge. But yeah, these 10-ounce ones are nice too. Year of the Bull up at the top. Again, it's the Chinese symbol for the ox. And then 10-ounce 0.999 fine silver. And then this side here, we got the Provident Metals. And also a cool little design as well. So I would recommend, you know, if you get the 10-ounce silver bars, leave them in the packaging like this. You know, it's always best just to leave it the way it comes from the mint. These were made by SilverTowne. So if you remember last year when they had Year of the Rat, those were actually made by Golden State Mint. So I'm not sure why they decided to switch it up. But these are made by SilverTowne now for Provident Metals. So these are exclusives to Provident Metals. You know, the only place you can get them is on their website right now. I don't know if they'll pop up anywhere else. But, you know, I think it's a cool design. I also like sort of the twist, you know, on Year of the Ox. They're going with, you know, Year of the Bull. To me, that just sounds cooler. Hopefully it's Year of No Bull, right? Now, in regard to packaging and presentation, Provident Metals has done a really nice job. You know, they use the bubble wrap as well as some paper in the bottom of the package there to ensure it arrived to me all in one piece. That is great. If you buy individual silver rounds, they'll come in the flips. If you buy tubes of 20, it'll come in a tube. If you buy like 10, it's hard to say. They might all come in flips, or they might come in like a half tube. And then, you know, the 10-ounce bars, these are really sweet as far as, you know, in this packaging here. I like when it stays in the packaging. They usually don't tone or tarnish when they're sealed like this. They might a little bit, especially if a corner gets opened. Just that corner will, like, you know, sort of tone up. It'll get darker than the rest of the bar. But these should stay in really good condition as they are. In my opinion, these are great for stacking. The bars I didn't mention, but these are, I think, $2.29 over spot per ounce right now. And so good price for a 10-ounce silver bar. Good price for a round. I do like the designs. I want to say thanks again to Provident for sending these to me to review. I really do appreciate it. What do you think of their new 2021 Year of the Bull silver round and silver bar? Leave a comment down below. And I want to say a massive thank you so much for watching my video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.